In this video, we will discuss the tool palettes and how they are used in Civil 3D. If you would like to follow along with this video, please open the file 0208 toolpalettes.dwg located in the training folder as discussed in the Working with this dataset video. The tool palettes is an AutoCAD interface component, and Civil 3D leverages the tool palettes to add subassemblies for corridor modeling. If you accidentally close the tool palettes, you can simply open them again by navigating to the View tab on the ribbon, Palettes panel, and Tool Palettes button right here. You can also press Ctrl-3 to access them as well. I will turn Auto Hide off and keep this docked for purposes of this video. So as I mentioned before, tool palettes are used to hold the subassemblies for all your corridor modeling. They're stored in categories such as basic subassemblies, lane subassemblies, shoulders, medians, curbs, daylight, generic subassemblies, conditional subassemblies, and if you require additional ones, click on the Extra Tabs location down below here and you will notice the available palettes. There's also an Assemblies palette, which is very useful if you need to save completed roadway assemblies. Simply select the predefined assembly to place them in the drawing, and just like that, I now have an assembly with a default set of subassemblies applied. We will discuss later on how to manipulate and add specific subassemblies. Should you require to access the default AutoCAD tool palettes or your own tool palettes, simply right-click up here and you will have access to the default AutoCAD palettes. If you have your own palettes that you've used in the past from prior versions of AutoCAD or AutoCAD Civil 3D, simply go to the Customize Palettes option and you can import your palettes by right-clicking anywhere along here and selecting the Import option from the shortcut menu. This concludes this video on discussing the tool palettes.